Hi, you're with English Coach, and today we're talking about two things. We're talking about obstacles and we're talking about dreams. Okay? The first thing we're going to start off talking about is obstacles and the things that are holding you back. We're talking about those things in two areas of your life. The first area is exercise. The second area is study. Now, these obstacles don't come in a physical form. I'm talking about what you tell yourself. So you tell yourself that, oh, I can't find the time to study, or oh, I can't find the right style to study, or exercise in this case. Both are very similar in nature because you need time and you need dedication. So these excuses are actually the obstacles, but where it joins onto goals is that goals, or dreams in this case, is part of something bigger. So if your idea is, I need to exercise 3 or 4 times a week and I need to do this or I need to do that, then you need to be able to follow some kind of routine, and you need to be able to destroy that excuse. So the excuse that you have in your mind is that you don't have the time, or it's not the right style for you. Then you need to replace that with something affirmative. In this case, or exercise is freedom, or I will find the right way to study. And these affirmative phrases, if you replace them, replace those negative phrases with these affirmative ones, you will really make a difference in your life. Now, how do you do that? How do you remember to do that? And that's where the dreams come in, because these things like exercise and study by themselves are very small, because they're only really achieving a small goal when you compare them to something bigger like a dream. The problem is they're directly connected to one of your big dreams. So for example, if your dream is to lose 10 kilos, and then part of your other goal is to eat the right foods and things like that, then what you're doing is you're slowly making this goal one of your big steps to achieving a bigger dream. And so therefore it gets more exciting. When we go to study, it's the same thing. If you study and you pass this kind of test or this evaluation that you're going through, what happens to you? You get more qualified, you get more knowledge, and you become an authority. If you can really look at the end game here, look at the end game and see how powerful it is, then you will understand that that small sacrifice of changing that little affirmation in your mind, that, oh, I don't have time, oh, this is not my style, and then looking for the next step, which is, when can I study? What style of exercise suits me? Then you will truly start making headway toward that bigger dream. And I know it's from the old quote that a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one single step. That's true. That's true. And it may be daunting for you to think of a journey of 1,000 miles and that this is just one step. But you need to believe me. You need to take that step. And that step is changing that voice in your head and really making it something affirmative. Okay? So, obstacle is that little voice in your head that pops up and gives that convenient, comfortable excuse. Dream is that huge thing that you want to get in your life that's not going to happen without you moving your ass. Okay? Thanks a lot for watching. I hope you subscribe.